Hey guys, I'm Matt Altman of the Altman Brothers, and we wanted to welcome you to one of our favorite houses in the Hollywood Hills. We're here today at 8356 Sunset View. And before we go into this 5-bed, 6-bathroom house, I just wanted to start and show you this incredible indoor-outdoor foyer. You're gonna see a beautiful chandelier and a great indoor-outdoor area. So come on, let's check it out. Once you take a step through the door, it's the ultimate blend of Hollywood meets Las Vegas. Besides that, you have views of the entire world when you're up here. As you look behind me, you're gonna see you have that Vegas-style party theme. You've got a table that seats 14 people. And not only does it seat 14, but it's got different spaces in the middle of it that you can put up different things for whatever the theme of the night's gonna be. But to get things going, all you need to do is hop behind the dining room table to this awesome glamping shelving unit that has everything you need to get the party started. In fact, we even have a DJ booth over here. That's Vegas, baby. And while we're in the dining room, we may as well check out this incredible kitchen over here, right? Let's go. The reason I love this kitchen is because you don't ever have to feel disconnected to anywhere in the house. You can be sitting there making the food, hanging out at the dining room table. It's open space, and that's what everybody wants these days. Just across from the kitchen is this incredibly comfortable, chill seating area that looks at one of the most incredible views you'll ever see of downtown Los Angeles. The entire wall opens up. That leads out to this incredible infinity pool, so you can keep that party going. Let's go check it out. Talk about an outdoor entertaining area. Are you kidding me? You've got lounges, you've got fire pits, you have an incredible infinity pool and hot tub, of course. You've got bars, you've got chaise lounge, you have shade, you have unshaded area, and again, you're not even seeing it at the best time, which is at night, but everything is lit in these incredible neon different colors. And as you know, in Vegas, the party never stops, so what's special about this Hollywood Hills home is that it doesn't stop here either. So why don't we take it upstairs and check out the master bedroom. Everything you're about to see here, it is beyond. You've got automatic shades that black out the entire world in case you're tired of that perfect view. You also got padded walls and let's just say an oversized bed that would make Shaquille O'Neal feel comfortable. And if you move on to the closet and bathroom area, you're gonna be blown away. It's everything you need. You've got an incredible soaking tub here for 2 or 3 people. You've got a shower that can fit at least 4 or 5. You've got a sink made out of stone, which happens to be one of the coolest details in here. And talk about closet space. It has so much space in here that you're able to lay out your entire wardrobe. Now that we've seen this crazy bathroom, we're gonna take it through the master to the outdoor play area. As you walk outside to your own private patio, you have a fabulous green room. This house has everything, but man, it's really made for the party animal. So I hope you enjoy the tour of Sunset View, and maybe someday you'll be partying out here with us.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?